Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install eBay Partner Network, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install eBay Partner Network, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the eBay Partner Network website. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password for your account. Read and accept the terms and conditions. Submit your registration form. Check your email for a verification link from eBay Partner Network. Click on the link to verify your email address. Return to the eBay Partner Network website and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, complete your profile by providing additional information such as your website or social media links. Submit your application for approval. Wait for eBay to review your application. Once approved, log back into your account. Navigate to the Tools section on the dashboard. Select Get Links to generate your affiliate links. Copy the generated links for products or categories of your choice. Use these links in your content to start earning commissions. Review your dashboard regularly to track performance and earnings. Adjust your strategies based on the analytics provided by the platform. You are now set up to promote eBay products and earn through their partner network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.